Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just did my Kroger pickup order, and this is everything. I'm trying to get it all on the one screen. Everything I got, it was $120. This is like my small haul week, and then next week I would do a bigger one. But anyway, this is everything I got. So I got an 18 pack of eggs, some Johnsonville sausages, some sliced American cheese. I got 2 green bell peppers, 1 large tomato, and I got 1 red onion. I love red onions and like so many things. There's that. I got these romaine hearts. I love using these for salads. They're like so crunchy. And then I got some baby spring mix salad. I got some raspberries. These actually look pretty good. I feel like half the time you buy raspberries, they don't last long, but these look good. Like a good bunch of raspberries, thankfully. I got these mini seedless cucumbers. I love chopping these up for work or like salad. I got a pack of these frozen mixed vegetables. Got some fish sticks for the kids. I realize we haven't had fish sticks or fish in like so long, so I got the fish sticks. And then I also got these beer battered fish fillets. I haven't had these in so long, but I love the Gorton's kind. I got some of the Kroger fully cooked bacon. It always hurts my soul to buy this from Kroger because it's so much more expensive to buy 10 pieces. It's like what, $4 or $5 for 10 of these pieces. But if you go to Sam's or Costco, you can get like 60 pieces for much cheaper. But next week I will go to Costco and get some more of that. I got some celery, hopefully for some salads and different things. And then maybe a soup. I've really been wanting to make soup. Okay, so that, I got chocolate milk and then chocolate lactose-free milk, and then 2 loaves of Sunbeam white bread. Excuse me. Let's see, and then over here I got 2 packs of shredded mild cheddar. I said the eggs. I got the Eggo French toaster sticks. These are easy. I love these. You just stick them in the toaster and then pull them apart. And then 1 pack of waffles. Right down here, I got just a 24 pack of bottled water, Kroger bottled water. I got that, and then I don't know why these are in a bag, but I got 2 of these packs of the Knorr chicken and broccoli rice. Chicken flavor with broccoli. I got a package of baby carrots. Those are good for like just eating on their own or maybe like a soup. I got some pork chops. They were $5. I got these Simple Organic Truth yogurt tubes. The kids like these. Well, most of the time they like them. I got this Chef Boyardee spaghetti and meatballs. I got 2 of those. And then I got cream and potato soup. I got 2 of these low carb La Banderita tortillas. I think there's just 8 in there. 8 packs, yeah. 2 of those. Some bananas. Ooh, that one's bad right there already. Bananas. I got tartar sauce from Frisch's for the fish, which I love tartar sauce, but I don't like to look at how many calories are in it. It's 190 calories for 2 tablespoons, 20 grams of fat, 200, no, whoa, okay. So yes, I don't like to look at it. Maybe there's another option I need to find because I feel like that's a lot. Got a few Lunchables, extra cheesy pizza, and bologna and cheese. The kids go back to school next week, so this coming weekend I'm going to be doing a big like I said, it'll be my big grocery haul, and then I'll be getting lots of like back to school stuff, like all the little snackies and drinks and things for lunches to get all back in the back to school routine. I am ready, but I am not ready at the same time. Got some grapes, some tartar sauce. I got this vanilla almond milk. That's what I put in my coffee every morning. I like it because it doesn't have a ton of calories, but it gives me a little bit of something, so it's not just completely black. Oop. And then I got one of these packs of the microwavable jasmine rice. These are okay, but I just like to not have to like cook rice all the time. So there is that. That's everything that I got. And then in a minute here, I'm going to show you some of the meals I'm planning to make this week. So here are the meals that I'm planning to make this week. I have 4 meals here that I'm planning to do. We don't always make dinner every single night. Sometimes we do leftovers or do a carryout. So this is leftover from Costco. I have another half of the steak in here. So you just heat that up in the pan. So I'm going to make that. And then I have veggies here. I have carrots and then potatoes. I'm planning to roast those in the oven to go with the steak. Maybe we'll do some sort of garlic bread or rolls or something. Over here, I have what I would call a chicken pot pie casserole. So I have my chicken. It's a little bit frosty, but it's all right. I got some chicken. And then I have my bag of mixed vegetables. I have some biscuits. And then I have cream of potato soup, and that's what I'll be using for that dinner. Over here, this is kind of a random dinner. I have barbecue sauce, but I have the pork chops. So I'm either going to make barbecue pork chops or pulled pork with the rice. And I just grabbed a can of corn and green beans, so I'll probably have something to that effect for that dinner. And then over here, I'm going to be making like beef tacos with tortillas. So I have the organic ground beef from Costco that I love. Some shredded cheese. I'm using these La Banderita low-carb tortillas. And then I have an onion, sour cream, and then I had that bell pepper and then some cheese. So these are the meals that I have planned for this week. Hopefully that gives you some dinner ideas.